Waterfall.
Yo, we just got here. It is beautiful, so come on, let's just take a tiny photo. I cannot take this video and get wet. The boys are so brave. They're lined up to slide down, so they are brave. But you know what? I'm going in there because I'm just that girl. Yeah, but you know what? Thank you for that positive touch. Thank you, thank you. Woo! Bumpy over there. He ain't about to try this waterfall over here. He's going the other way. Huh? He's going the other way. All right, he's gonna try the natural water. I'm so proud of him. This is not him, guys, but you know what? This is why. What's going on, Mr. Brandon?
I am tired.
Bro, just jump in. It's deep. It's like 10 feet. Come on.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help
It's
me.
alright, baby. I'll come and save you, honey.
You promise?
Yes, I promise. Aww. Come on. I'm so proud of him. Look at him. Let's go. You're fine. I hope he can swim. I'm just kidding, y'all. There we go. He's climbing up. Husband's brave, y'all. What's going on, guys? So we are at Falls Creek
Waterfall.
State Park, water park. So it's been a beautiful day. Thank you guys for staying tuned with us. And guys, explore the world because you know what? There are so many things that you can do outside the walls of your town, of your state. So go and explore.
And it's crazy. You don't have to go out of the country to get these experiences,
Yes.
right? I mean, I never desired to come to Tennessee, but I ain't gonna lie. We've been making this dope, but this little dope scenic thing y'all been, it's fire.
Yes.
You know what I mean? But
It's such a great time. The drive was lit. It was 2 hours away from where we were at. Which
and it
was
didn't matter. Had the top down, had some drinks some years ago. I love my wife. What do you want me to do? See what happens? You try to hit me?
Just cut that.
No, don't cut that. That's stage. This is real. The brand is. Don't be fake. Love what I love. I'm gonna show up what I love. You know what I'm saying?
See you later, guys.
Much love. We'll see you. Keep watching. Let's go.
Yes.
Like and subscribe. Y'all better stop playing with us.